Good morning, students. I am going to start today chapter 4, the flower. Dear student, let us know how to define flower. The flower is a specialized suit in which leaves are modified into floral structures. So this is the definition of flower. Dear student, a plant has two main parts. One above the ground known as a shoot system, and one below the ground known as a root system. So flower is a shoot system, part of the shoot system. So how we can define flower? The flower is a specialized shoot, part of the shoot, in which leaves are modified into floral structure. Dear student, this is the structure of the typical flower. Now I am going to explain you about the part of the flower. Each part I am going to explain you. So let us start first from the lower part of the flower. The lower part of the flower, which is connected with the stem, known as a stalk. Dear student. So this part is connected with the branch. Known as a stalk. Further it used to proceed upward and form a cup-shaped structure. And this cup-shaped structure is known as a thalamus. Dear student, it is known as a thalamus. Thalamus also it is known in another way receptacle. Another word for the thalamus is known as a receptacle. So stalk used to proceed upward and form a cup-shaped structure known as a thalamus or receptacle. Now dear student, you see here, just from the thalamus, green color part of the flower, green color part, and this green color part is known as a sepal. of the sepal is known as a calyx. Let us proceed to the next part of the flower, colored part. This colored part you can see, these are the colored part known as a petal. This part are known as a petal, dear student. The colored part of the flower is known as a petal. So when we denote single colored part of the flower known as a petal, but when all collective part, means all the parts, colored part are being denoted, known as a corolla, known as a corolla, dear student, known as a corolla. All the colored part, all these colored part are denoted known as a corolla. So the green part of the flower is known as a sepal. When we denote single, known as a sepal, but the collective form of the sepal is known as a calyx. Whereas the single colored part of the flower is known as a petal, but the collective part, colored part is known as a corolla. Next you see here the part of the flower which is being highlighted with the yellow color. This is the male part of the flower. Dear student, this is known as a male part of the flower. So this tip part, the tip part of the flower, this yellow part is known as a anther. Known as a anther, dear student. This tip part of the male part, the tip part of the flower, known as anther, whereas this string part is known as a filament. Known as a filament, dear student. So anther and filament, altogether it is known as a stamen. Stamen. So stamen is the male part of the flower, dear student. Stamen is the male part of the flower. So the tip of the male part of the flower is known as a anther, and this string part is known as a filament. Both together it is known as a stamen. Stamen is the male part of the flower, dear student. Now, a single male part of the flower is known as a stamen, whereas all together, all male part of the flower is collectively known as a androecium. Known as a androecium, dear student. Known as a androecium. Male part of the flower. Male part known as a androecium. Male part of the flower is known as a androecium, and it is denoted by the symbol in this way. So male part of the flower is denoted by the symbol. This is a particular symbol of the male part of the flower. Let us see the female part of the flower. The topmost part of the female is known as a stigma. Known as a stigma. This pipe type of the structure is known as a style. Known as a style. This swollen part known as a ovary, and this inside egg is known as a ovule. So stigma, style, ovary, ovule, these are the female part of the flower, dear student. Known as a female part of the flower. So gynoecium, known as gynoecium, and it is represented by the symbol, the female part. So this is the symbol of the female part. It is represented by this particular sign, dear student. So stigma, style, ovary, ovule, these are the four part of the female part of the flower. So dear student, main four part of the flower. First is sepal, second is the petal, third is the male part, and fourth is the female part. So the male part single, it is known as a stamen, whereas collectively known as a androecium and denoted by the symbol. Whereas single female part is denoted and known as a carpel, whereas the collective form known as a gynoecium, dear student, known as a gynoecium. So this is a complete explanation of the flower. So please you read the topic, learn the definition of the flower, and in the next video I will explain you about the function of the part of the flower, dear student. So thank you to you all.